The variables x and y are in direct proportion. We want to complete the table below. If x and y are in direct proportion, as we've seen in previous examples, that means that y must be equal to k times x, where k is the constant of proportionality which we need to find. If we look at this point of the table, we can see that we have values for both x and y. Y is equal to 8 when x is equal to 2. Substitute this into the formula and we get 8 is equal to k times 2. Dividing both sides by 2 tells us that k is equal to 4, giving us the formula y is equal to 4 times x. We can use this to complete the table. Let's start by looking at when x is 1. Y would be equal to 4 times 1, which is 4. Now consider x is 6. If x is equal to 6, then y is equal to 4 times 6, which is equal to 24. And if x is equal to 20, then y is equal to 4 times 20, which is 80. Now consider here where y is 12. If we know that y is equal to 12, we can substitute into the formula, and we get 12 is equal to 4 times x. Dividing both sides by 4 gives us that x is equal to 3. Finally, we have y is equal to 14. Substituting in gives 14 is equal to 4x. Dividing both sides by 4 gives 14 over 4 is equal to x. This cancels to 7 over 2, or as a mixed number, 3 and a half.